Hello students, today we will study friction spinning systems and on the last lecture we have studied the basic principle of friction spinning system in which I have told you that how the yarn is formed by friction spinning system. The fibers are first open to individual fiber stage and then these fibers are dropped on the perforated drum. It may be one or two, and there are different draft spinning systems available. Number one is draft 1 spinning system, 2 is a draft 2 spinning system, then came draft 3 spinning system, and then came draft 5 spinning system, and these two spinning systems, draft 2000 spinning system and draft 3000 spinning systems, is also available. So what are the features of these spinning systems, and what are the technical highlights of this spinning system? What are the shortcomings, limitation of this spinning system? That we will study one by one. So in today's lecture, we will study draft 1 spinning system. So for this, you can refer the book published by IIT Delhi and Cute publication, New Spinning System by Professor R.B. Mahendra Gowda. This book was published for NCUTE, means Nodal Center for Upgradation of Textile Education. So, as you know very well, that this friction spinning is also called draft spinning system because it was invented by Dr. Ernest Ferrer. So this is the first machine which was developed by Dr. Ferrer in 1973. And in this case, you can see that the fibers are fed to the opening roller. So fibers are, sliver is fed to the drafting system, and then it is coming on the opening roller. And in the opening roller, the fibers are converted into a stage of single fiber. That fibers are reaching a stage of single fiber. Then they are falling on the number 4, that is perforated drum. Okay, mind it that there is only one perforated drum. That's why it is called draft 1. So in this case, this was the first machine of draft series, and due to limitations of this machine and some shortcomings, draft 2 and draft 3 were invented later on. So initially there was one perforated drum, and then a seed yarn was introduced, and due to friction between drum and the yarn, the twisting took place. And as the fibers are coming from the right hand side, from the opening roller, the yarn was continuously withdrawn also, and a package, cross wound package was formed, which is shown on the top, number 5. Okay. So there is a single perforated cylindrical drum, and twisting is done with the help of friction between the yarn and the drum. And there was a biggest disadvantage that slippage took place between the yarn and the drum. That's why the twist actual twist was lesser than we calculated on the theoretical basis. So slippage was a disadvantage in this case, and due to absence of positive control over the assembly of the fibers and slippage, so it reduced the twist efficiency, and it was considered biggest disadvantage, and that's why this machine was not successful, and people thought that we should invent or improve this machine, and then draft 2 machine came, and this machine was not commercialized. It was shown in the exhibitions only, and it came it is available in the books only. So in order to reduce the slippage and improve the twisting efficiency, the concept of 2 drums was introduced, and which became the basis for invention of the draft 2 spinning system, and then draft 2 machine was introduced. So today we have studied this spinning system, draft 1 spinning system, in which only one perforated drum is there. So on the next lecture, we will study draft 2 spinning system. So this was all about draft 1 spinning system. With this, we finish this lecture, and we will continue draft spinning systems. Thank you.